What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and in this video we're going to have a look at does EPC really matter? So I'm logged into Max Bounty right now. What I did was I went through search campaigns and it opens up this window. So what I want to talk about is the earnings per click. So every network displays a global earnings per click for a specific offers. And you guys ask me this question all the time. So let's have a good understanding on what the earnings per click actually means, how you can use it to your advantage, and what you need to look out for. So we are right in the Max Bounty dashboard. So first let's have a look at the earnings per click. So it would mean that for every click you send, you get a payout at the end if their conversion happens, and this is basically the amount you get paid per click sent, so you can compare it to your cost per click and you know if you're making good money. So the earnings per click is a good indicator on how well the offer converts. The higher the earnings per click relative to the payout, the better the offer converts. So if you have a look here, you have tons of different offers available, and of course we need to see where the opportunities are. That's basically why they display earnings per click. So if you click here on EPC, it will filter. So you can see there's offers with a $3.31 payout. EPC, sorry, there's a $14.50 payout. So you see $3.30 on the EPC, you see $2.60 on the EPC. These offers pay $520. So this is my look. Earnings per click global on the network is a very tricky, unreliable metric. Let me tell you why. Your own earnings per click, once you've tested an offer, is very much reliable because you have purchased the data. It comes from one traffic source. You know what the bridge page looks like, and you know your conversion rate. So you control the quality of the traffic, you control the data. Your own EPC from your tracker is reliable. Now, when you haven't run an offer and you look at global EPC, it is a bad metric to look at. And let me tell you why. It is solely due to the fact that you do not know which traffic source the traffic came from to get to this EPC. That's number one. If I send traffic from Facebook, I might have a €2 EPC, $2 EPC. If I send traffic from Pop, I might have a 1 cent EPC. However, it depends on the cost of the traffic to be able to see if it's profitable or not. So $2 earnings per click on Facebook might not be profitable, whereas a 1 cent earnings per click on Pop traffic might be profitable. So that is one big problem. The second big problem is that you do not know how the EPC is built up, right? This basically means are the networks telling the truth? Let's have a look. So let's pick this offer, yeah? It has a $520 pay per lead. 500, 480. And what you see is it's 260, right? 260, then it drops $20 and the EPC drops 10 cents. Then again drops $20 and the EPC drops 10 cents. What is the coincidence of having over 10 offers with the exact same EPC? 0%. 0%. So you can just see, maybe they typed this on the back end to give you an indication, but this data is fake. Whether you look at the EPC will change continuously. So every day the EPC would be different. That's usually why networks take a global EPC, which is updated once a week. But whether you look at it right now or you look at it next week, this will say the same EPC, which basically means it's not true, right? It's not true. So this could have more reasons, right? They either put it in because they're lazy, the network, or nobody's running traffic to this offer, so the EPC always stays the same. In the beginning, the advertiser will give the network an indication on how good the offer converts, and that's why they make an estimated EPC. If nobody has ever run traffic, the estimated EPC stays the same, or if nobody has ran traffic in the last week, the EPC also stays the same. So it doesn't mean it's fake, it means it's unreliable. You cannot use this global EPC to make decisions whether you want or do not want to run this specific offer. But let's have a look at certain sweepstakes, because there you will find a very big difference in EPC. Yes. Let's go. So you have EPCs here, $16 per lead. So these are probably credit card sweepstakes. See, credit card submit, right? You see quite high EPC, but they're not all the same. It goes from, these all pay the same around, and they have up and down. So this is $1.65 per lead. It pays 41 cent EPC. This is $9.45, $9.60, $48. So this would mean this offer converts a lot better, right? Again, you see the same pattern that if an offer pays 141, all from the same advertiser, they have the same EPC, which makes my alarm bells ring. I'm like, what the fuck's going on? Something is not going right here. Which makes it for me, either these offers are not being run, which is, I would say, unlikely for sweepstakes on a network like Max Bounty, or this would look a lot better for me, right? 141, 5 cents, 165, 5 cents, 240, 5 cents. Basically meaning that these offers convert differently. So if you select the CPA rate, so we'll see, then all the CPAs will be on the same side. You will see that the actual EPCs are different, right? Okay, there we go. So here, 280. So this is U sweeps, yeah? 6 cent, 11 cent, 30 cent, 18 cent. This, I would say, is a reliable data of a reliable advertiser. The offers are all sweepstakes. They all pay $2.80. However, the EPCs are different. There's no pattern that this could be fake or why this would be fake, right? However, here, it's again very different, the EPCs. Not like we saw before, like 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, 10 cents, where the payout is the same all the time, right? Like here, $16 per lead, 40, 40, 40. Very much unlikely that that would ever happen. So either it's new or it's not updated, but always ask your affiliate manager for the up-to-date, accurate earnings per click. And that's why I'm saying do not trust global EPC, only follow the EPC from your own tracker. So if you have any questions about this, if you thought this was difficult, please leave your comments in the description down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one.